Hi viewers, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'll guide you on how to write a letter of intent for a scholarship. This formal document is written to express your interest in the scholarship, outline your academic goals, and demonstrate why you're a deserving candidate. You will begin your letter by including your full name, address, city, state, and zip code at the top of the page. Then, make sure to add the current date. Afterward, you should address the scholarship committee by including the name of the scholarship committee, the scholarship provider's name, and their address, including the city, state, and zip code. Finally, open the letter with a polite and formal greeting, addressing the scholarship committee directly. Dear Scholarship Committee, before proceeding with the body of your letter. After that, write, I am writing to express my strong interest in applying for the scholarship name to support my academic journey at university name. As a passionate student pursuing a degree in your field of study, I am committed to achieving both academic excellence and personal growth. This scholarship will help me focus on my studies and contribute to my long-term goals of briefly mention your career aspirations or future plans. I believe that with this financial support, I will be able to make the most of my university experience and contribute positively to both my community and the field. Throughout my academic career, I have worked diligently to maintain a high GPA while participating in mention any extracurricular activities, volunteer work, or leadership roles. My experiences have not only enhanced my academic skills, but also reinforced my commitment to giving back to the community. I am confident that this scholarship will provide the necessary resources to continue my education and pursue my passion for field or specific interest. I sincerely appreciate your consideration of my application and the opportunity to advance my academic and professional journey with your support. Sincerely, your full name. This is the letter of intent for a scholarship we've written as a sample. Notice how it highlights the applicant's academic goals, provides specific examples of their achievements, and emphasizes why they are a deserving candidate for the scholarship. The letter maintains a formal and positive tone while offering clear insights into the applicant's aspirations and potential. By following this format step by step, you can create a strong and effective letter that showcases your qualifications and motivation for pursuing higher education. And with that, I end today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more writing tips and guides.